Have you ever had a week where everything seemed to click? Your entries were better, your timing was better, your confidence was growing, and then, a few days later, you lost multiple trades. Not because the market regime changed, but because you didn't have a repeatable process. Without a framework, consistency becomes almost impossible. The Standard Bundle was designed to help solve that problem. It provides the foundation for a more disciplined, data-driven approach to trading. FireCharts helps you visualize order book liquidity and order flow, shaping price action in real time. Trend Precognition helps identify momentum shifts before they become obvious to most traders. MTF mean reversion helps uncover statistically significant opportunities when price reaches extreme levels. Together, these tools create a powerful framework for identifying opportunities, improving timing, and managing risk. Instead of reacting emotionally to every candle, you'll have a structured process for evaluating the market and validating your decisions. Whether you're scalping, swing trading, or strategically accumulating positions, the Standard Bundle helps bring structure and consistency to your trading. Because successful trading isn't about being right all the time. It's about consistently making better decisions over time. And for traders who want deeper market intelligence, advanced education, exclusive content, and access to our private community, Premium Plus expands the framework even further. The best way to understand the difference is to experience it for yourself. That's why every subscription is backed by our 14-day risk-free money-back guarantee. Stop chasing the next strategy. Start building a process. See more. Trade smarter. Build a more disciplined trading framework. Gain confidence in your decision-making and take control of your process with material indicators. Get access now.